Today I'm taking a direct entry. Yay. Yeah, because someone just came down, so I can go up directly from here. Uh, so outside it's freezing. It's extremely cold. Brisbane weather is so unpredictable. Today is day 7 of my gym. I thought today off. I thought to take a day off, but like I did not want it to stop the continuity, so I thought, okay, let's hit the gym. Like from past 1 week or so, I'm having so many discussions about my diet or the weight targets I have kept for myself. And like I get mixed reviews, like some people who know me and some people who don't know me, like they give different suggestions on based on the information they have. Like I remember someone was saying that your target of reducing 100 kg, sorry, your target of reducing 25 kgs in the span of 6 months, you are giving 6 months is too much time for you are giving to yourself. It's like very slow target. And some people who know me personally, like they know that like it took me almost 6 to 7 years to go from 75 kgs to 100 what I'm right now. 100 kg or 100 kg Newton force, whatever, like kg meter per second square. So like it took me like around 5 to 6 years to reach this obese level. So I thought like yeah, which segment of people to believe in. But this just reminded me of one story I would like to share. This is like a retelling or remastered version of a Mahabharata tale where the Arjun was supposed to hit a target on the eye. But like the story's been modified and modified again and again, retold, and somehow I remember this version of the story. So what happened was like a student, a disciple, and a master were having this conversation on the first day of training. Means they have decided some target. Let's assume let that be an shooting practice or let that be gym, whatever. Like there is some specific target. Uh, so the master and the student is negotiating on how the process would be. So the student's first question is like, how much time would I require to attain this skill? Means how much time it will require me to master the skill. So the teacher says it will means if you work hard, like it will take around 1 year, approximately 1 year to achieve that target. So the student says like 1 year, that's too much. Like, oh, 1 year, that time means I don't have, like I need this skill as soon as possible. So what if I work twice as hard? Like if instead of spending 8 hours, what if I come here and spend 16 hours? How much time would it take me to master that skill? So the master says like, if you're working double the time, then it'll probably take you two years to get that skill. And the student is shocked. Like, first the master said like, I'll take 1 year, but I'm giving twice amount of hard work, and the master is saying that it take me 2 years. Like, he still didn't understand the concept. Like the student asked again, like, what if I don't sleep at all? I give my heart and soul to the practice. Like I come, do the hard work again and again and again, and I don't take any breaks. Like I would just sleep for 2 hours. It doesn't matter. I want to get this skill as soon as possible. What if I show that much amount of hard work? How much time would it take me to honor the skill? So master thought for a while and said like, if you are really going to put that much time and that much effort, probably you'll be mastering the skill in like 3 years. And the student was shocked again. What this master is talking about? Like every time I'm increasing the amount of hard work and the time dedicated to it, like, and he's increasing my time span. Why he is doing like that? So the student finally gave up and he asked like, okay, just tell me, master, why this logic? So the master finally explained him like, if you keep your one eye on time and only one eye to focus on your skills, you will take more time to honor that skill. So instead of the time target or keeping one eye on the time, you should mostly focus on the types or the ways you can honor the skill. So that doesn't mean not having a target at all, not having a goal at all, but like that definitely means that you need to focus on your target more than the time. So I'll do the same. Let's not make this video as big as yesterday. I'll focus on my gym and see you in the next video or next live, whichever is earlier. Ciao.